Now for the fun part. Nose hairs. Those are disgusting. I'm using a hard wax. I'll put a link in below of what I'm using. A hard wax is different than the other waxes. My hard wax is a little bit too hot. It's too darn hot. It's too darn hot. I'd like to pull out my nose hairs tonight. I'm putting wax on a stick. So I put the wax in there, close my nostril, and allow that to set. Intuition when it's ready. And we're gonna pull it all out. 1, 2, 3. Ooh! Good one. Should I show you? Oh, that is much better. Clean cavern. Now let's clean out the other cavern. In a cavern, in a canyon, excavating for some nose hairs. Getting it in there, especially up in there. Putting it all over in there. Closing my nostrils. Closing my left nostril round it. Then I will pull it. I will pull out my nose hairs because of all the beautiful and new flesh that I can view in my and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3. Ooh, yes. Chia, Pat. Oh, I can see my brain. We got the nose hairs, ear hairs. I'm just going to trim with my clipper. Don't get mad at us, ladies, because we can't see our ears. We need you to do it. And hairdressers always do this to the men's ears. They want you to. Like you see hair in their ear, just get it out of there. Eyebrows. And I should probably trim them. I think 1/8 inch is long, too short for brows. I don't know. Let's find out. Going against the growth. Well, I didn't shave them off. So I just want to make sure that I get all the hairs. Tint with a vegetable dye is going to last at most 2 weeks. Get in your eyes, it will sting, but then you'll live. It is time for some lash growth serum. Time for the beard. I'm going to use my clipper comb. I don't like to get too low because it's easy to do.